since this is called Lakme Fashion Week, and every fashionista needs to beautify herself, what better than to have an actual mini salon on location? So we have the Lakme Salon, which helps you recover after a tough day of work and get ready for the evening shows and party after. So we are entering Pia Pauro's stall. She had a show on the first day, and I've just been informed that most of her stock is already gone. So obviously she's doing great business. But what's really interesting is the way the stall is done up. I can see Pia's philosophy reflected in her stall and in her clothes, which is absolutely comfortable. Ibiza, beaches, sun, sea, surf, and a lot of fun in life. And so here we are outside Pankaja Nidhi's stall. Pankaja Nidhi, who are going to be the grand finale designers this season. Young designers going to create a complete buzz around. So just follow me while they're not here. I'm sure they're somewhere trying to do last minute stuff around. You can see the riot of colors. They've won critical and commercial acclaim over the last so many years. They have even won the Woolmark Prize this year. They are on the shortlist, and I hope they win the Vogue Fashion Fund. So obviously we are on the right track, and we had perfect fit for our Lakme Grand Finale. This I am loving. This man has just hounds me, so now I have the mic in my hand and I'm playing journo. And let me just examine him from head to toe and tell you whether he's looking good or not. This is Santu, a demon of a blogger who completely rams everybody. He doesn't give them a second chance, not even me. What do you have to say about Lakme Fashion Week this time?
This season, I am loving the shows of the younger designers. I think they brought it. I think they have the talent, the fresh aspect. It's all about fresh aspect this season. It's fresh aspect.
Enjoy and be kind.
LFW TV. I love LFW TV. You want one more?
My God, it's a sardian. I have to take you in. I know Yogi is not here, but this is Mr. Pac-Man, like I'm calling him this season. Surendri by Yogesh Chaudhary again. One of our Gen Next from last season, graduated on to being a part of the main selection this season, and you can see why. Not just critical but commercial acclaim. He's just done the most amazing work with just the Pac-Man icon, which is stunning. I know how many hours I spend on Pac-Man, so. And I've got a sari. So can you imagine walking around with a Pac-Man sari? Yeah! Oh, I can see Nilesh here, who I'm going to grab. Nilesh is from Nautanki in Ahmedabad. He's been a great supporter of Lakme Fashion Week. Constantly comes with this thick, fat checkbook and signs orders galore. Now tell me, how's it been?
It's beautiful, lovely, fantastic. I love the designers, I love the choice, I love the venue. I loved here, in fact, I was talking to a very senior designer and she was saying, why you are here? I'm like, of course, why you are here? And she said, I feel like home. I said, that's why, I'm also here because I feel like home too.
Any new designers that you've spotted this season?
This time, I'm going to work with Yogesh, it's wonderful, work I love doing. Yeah, Mr. Pac-Man, it's lovely work. Saugat Paul, we were planning to work with him from many times, but this time I finally, grabbed from his neck and I said, okay, now you're working.
Good. Okay, now we're going to walk into the area which has all the accessory designers, and it's really fun, the kind of colors and the work that you can see. And have a look around at all the stalls. This is Felix, who's also shown. He's done some amazing stuff, funky, and I've got a little beautiful clip for my hair. Shall we pay a visit to Mr. and Mrs. Arora? I think, follow me. Since he's decided that he wants me to be an item number, item girl and item buy. See, that's what his collection was this time. Yay! Acha, why item? Tell me seriously.
These days item songs are better than movies. But it's the same thing. In case you're wearing a boring attire like I did, school uniforms, you can always jazz them up with beautiful statement-making pieces.
Great. Keep the focus on the footwear. I think that's amazing.
Shoes, match your clothes with your shoes, not the other way around.
I think they're very, very cool and they're so wacky. I'm an item girl. follow me, set the spider to the fly into the talent box. And let's see what we have here. Oh, it's between shows. So they're all taking a much needed break and chilling. This is the mini showing area, and the master of ceremonies here is Rahul. Rahul, don't run away. Rahul actually runs the operations here. He's a terrorist on board over here. And this is the mini showing area that we introduced 2 seasons ago. It's a talent box, and this gives a chance to young designers to actually give it a shot and try what it's all about, because the feeling's pretty much the same. And this season, it's been action-packed. What with Karan Johar and Kareena Kapoor on the front row, we've had Govinda. So I think what's happened is this is pretty much getting established as a really strong second showing area. And I'm already getting requests that I need to make it bigger. Well, real estate in Mumbai, that's the problem. Follow me. I think the best thing is that Rahul speaks himself. Okay, so this is Mr. IMGR Eye Candy for Lakme Fashion Week, Rahul Singh, the strong, silent type behind the lots of stuff that happens here. Tell me, what's the seating arrangement like?
80 plus another 20 standing.
As you can see, he's not very friendly. He just loves taking in all these women fawning all over him. And we're not gonna edit that, believe me, right? So that pretty much sums up what we do at the Source, including the talent box. And we've taken a journey around. It's been full of action. I hope you've got a feeling and a bit of the pulse of all that happens here, the excitement and the energy of the young designers, the business mode that's happening here. There's just such a lot of fun to be had once you come in here and participate at Lakme Fashion Week. It's been lovely taking you around this, and I'll see you again next season. Bye.